Experience driving perfection in the 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Limited. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you